Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a wallet on Metamask. Now the good thing on Metamask is that you don't really need to verify yourself, but on Binance and other wallets you need a verification. Now first we have to install the Metamask extension. I have already installed it, but you can get it from the Firefox add-ons. You can go here and you can click add to Firefox and it will be added. It normally appears here in this list. Then we click on MetaMask and we click to agree to the terms of service, and we either make a new wallet or import an existing wallet. It's up to you. Here for testing purposes we will make a new wallet and we'll set up an easy password just so we can test the situation. The password should be complicated or someone may steal your crypto, which can be a lot. That's why let's see. We'll click remind me later on this. The wallet has been made. Now we need to unlock higher rates, front running protection, better visibility. Will enable this, and this is it. Our wallet is ready. We can receive a lot of crypto types, tokens, and different ones on this address. You can copy it from here, and then you can switch the network from here. If you want to, you can use the Ethereum mainnet. If you want to, you can use the BNB and whichever other one you want. And that's pretty much it. From here you choose the network, and here is your account. On this address you can receive Ethereum token, or you can receive another token like BNB. That will be the Binance coin on the Ethereum network. If you want to use BNB on the BNB network, you have to switch to the BNB network. It's already added. That's why we will add Ethereum instead. As you can see, it's not difficult. After that you can use your MetaMask wallet with various other things, but please don't forget to finish the security on your MetaMask, as you will need to. That would be this. Now you do need this in order to import your wallet into other browsers, your mobile phone and so on. Otherwise, if you lose your browser or something, you'll be unable to access the wallet. This is not recoverable. Make sure you write it down and use it well. And we know that you can never get it back if you lose it. Wrong. Yes, no one can help you get the recovery phase. And you must never give your recovery phase to anyone. This is a test wallet. That's why I am showing you how it goes here. We are entering the password. It's already saved, but you can enter it if you want to. Now we will get the recovery phase. Now these words are your recovery phase. You can copy this to the clipboard, and you will have to save it well because you will need it. Now, in order to import the wallet, on the other hand, after we close this, we have to do the following. We again start the MetaMask extension. Got it. Now we can remove the standard notifications. We click on this and we click add account or hardware wallet, import account. Now you can do this with a private key or with the 12-word phrase. It's different, but since we don't have our private key at the moment, we will have to get it. The private key is gotten from here. You go to security and privacy. This is a custom network. It should be here normally, but if we don't see it here, then we will have to find it. We already have the phrase. We can try here. We can try here. It's nowhere to be found. Let's try on account details. Show private key. That's great. You have to enter your password, and after that you will be shown your private key, which is what you can use in order to import your account if the 12 word phrase doesn't work. So this is the private key. And then we click on the extension again. We close the notifications and we click add account, import account, and then we enter the private key. Now this account is already imported, so it tells me it's a duplicate, but you can do it on a different browser if needed. For example, if we do it here, we have to select the Metamask extension, but it's not visible. Extensions. If it is not visible, then we will install it again. This is for Chrome. You can get it from here. It is added. Therefore, we will have to manage it from here. This is it. Manage the extension, allow automatic updates, allow to run in all windows, and now we can use it as normally. The extension is here. We will have to enter the password. The account is already here, so I will be unable to show you, but it's pretty much the same. It's nothing different. If you have no other questions, guys, please visit our website sa.fi.bg. We are now on the crypto market, and you can trade our work token for BTT, as we have added it to the BTT pool, and you can freely exchange it. Bye, guys.